SoftVelocity.
This new chapter is about file drop. On the desktop counterpart of the H5 application, we can have a file drop. And we can select the options, and on H5, as you can see, we also have a file drop. But I would like to extend the functionality of the file drop. I would like to have some inside search so I can search the list in real time, most like the file drop combo that we have on the desktop counterpart. In H5, well, you don't have that file drop with that functionality, but it's very easy to extend it. In this case, we are going to use bootstrap select because we are already working with bootstrap, so it makes sense. It's very easy to use and it's very simple. Let's do it. First, we have to unpack the script. I have the script here, a couple folders, so everything is gonna be in place and easy to locate. And we have to modify the skeleton. We always have to modify the skeleton. Well, not always, but in this case I would like to have bootstrap select available on every page. So let's shoot down H5. There we go. And I just have to add a CSS and a JS file, the script and the style. That's very much it. And according to the documentation, all we have to do is to add a class. Well, let's do that. Let's locate the file drop. Okay, it's category. In this case, we have to modify the class for the category. In controls, category. We have to add an extra class. Fine. Nothing else. We don't have to add any scripts at all. Let's run the application again and let's take a look at H5. We'll restart the application and let's see. It is working, but we have a few cosmetic problems. First, the entries, the inputs are square and the replacement is all with round, it's got round borders. We should fix it. In this case, using jQuery, the script is replacing, well, not exactly replacing, it is putting something on top of the old select portion of H5. Therefore, we have to eliminate those cosmetic issues. It's very easy. Remember, we have an extension for CSS here, and we can modify it to do exactly what we want. We could use everything here that we used for previous chapters, but we need a new section with only a couple things: no border and no background. I can save it now, and remember, we have to add this class to the file drop. Let's go to the file drop and let's add another class. It's very simple. Actually, it's very simple. Because H5 is powerful and we can extend it. It's very easy to extend H5. As you can see, I have a couple extra classes. That's very much it. It should get rid of the small white dots. We're making the select with no border and no background. Let's see that. In here, restart it. You see, there is no more white dots. And this one is working just properly. And it is working fine. And looks fantastic. It looks very professional because the end user is going to expect that functionality inside an H5 application. They would like to search, live search everything inside a list. So with this extension we can accomplish that. And it took only a few minutes to add the functionality to H5.